Viva E-classes. I am your Gurraj with the 6th standard social science subject. Today we have to discuss about the civics. As you know students, what is the meaning of civics? So in the previous class we learnt about the history. So what is the meaning of history? History is the systematic presentation of past event. Then what is the meaning of civics? The civics, the study of rights and duties of citizenship is called civics. As you have a doubts, how can we consider it as civics? Through this definition. I would like to read once again. Study of a rights and duties of the citizenship is called as civics. Dear students, please concentrate on the board. What I have write the points on the board. See, here I write the first point. We need the different benefits. How can we got the benefits? Because we got the benefits from the society. The society gives all the facilities to us. So that is called as benefits. Human beings stays in a group. As you know students, in ancient times, the group of the people, they are hunt the animals. They are kill the animals. Not in alone. So we need a groups. So that is called as society. So what is the benefit of the society? So we got the benefits of the society through these points: food, medical facilities, education, protection. Food, it is the first facility we got from the society. How can we got the food? We got the food by the agricultural products. Is it? Agriculture in the sense, is it possible to do the agriculture by alone? No, it is impossible. So in our surrounding, we found the many of the important persons, agricultural, florist, doctors, engineers, teachers. So these are the persons, they are gives the facility to us. So we got the agricultural facility by the agriculturalist. So then we got the food. Then we got the medical facilities. So we got the many of the good technicians. So we got the good doctors. We got the good hospitals through this medical facility. And education. So we got the good education system in a society. Without a society, is it possible to get a good education? Is it possible to get the good education by alone? No, it is impossible. So teachers gives the facility of the education. Society gives the facility of the education. Then we got the protection. How can we got the protection? We got protection by our soldiers. So they are protect us. So these kind of the soldiers gives their lives to us. So that is called as society. The society gives, these are the facility to us. We cannot enjoy the festivals alone. Is it right or wrong? Yes. Do you celebrate the Holi alone? No, it is impossible. So we cannot enjoy the festivals, whatever the festival it is, by alone. So we have to celebrate our festivals with the group. Then it gives the importance to the society. So we need society. So we are the part of the larger society. So we are already in a society. How we got the society now? So we already stays in a group. We have our family. My brother, my sister, my mother, my father. So these type of the group we got here. So these are the facilities we got from the society. So larger society in the sense we called as a nation. So India is a larger society. The India is our country. So we consider the larger society in the sense it is a nation. Then who is the citizen? Yes, we are the part of the society. So we consider the citizen. I am living in India. I am the citizen of India. So that is called as citizen. A citizen is a legally recognized inhabitant of a country. Then who is citizen? Citizen in the sense the person who are legally recognized. Yes, I am legally recognized by the India because I got the Aadhaar card. I got the many facilities of the India. I got many facilities from India. I am survived to the nation. I serve to the nation. Then I am inhabitant of this country. So I am the citizen of India. So then we consider the person who is legally recognized some of the nation, the person we called as the citizen. I am legally recognized by India, so I am the citizen of India. You are legally recognized by India, so you are the citizens of India. We have certain rights and duties. Yes, the India, it has given certain rights and duties to the citizen. Yes, we should follow. Yes, I am follow the Indian rights and duties. Yes, I would like to serve the India. I will pay the tax to Indian government. Yes, I am the citizen of India. So these are all the points gives the meaning of the civics. The civics in the sense study of the rights and duties of the citizenship is called the civics. So what are the rights and what are the duties you are followed to your nation, from your nation? So that is called as a civics. So these rights and duties we got from our constitution. So what is the meaning of the constitution? The constitution, it is the source of the rights and duties of the nation. So India also, it has own constitution. So we are all follow the rights and duties of our constitution. So we need a citizenship. I would like to ask the question to you all students. Please observe the board. Anybody who lives in India is an Indian citizen? Do you agree this point? Anybody who lives in India is an Indian citizen? Either it is a true or false. Yes, it is false. Why it is false? Because the person cannot identify legally or he cannot recognize legally. The person who recognized legally in the sense, the person we call as citizen. So, anybody who lives in India is an Indian citizen. No, it is completely wrong. If I am recognized by the India, by legally, I am the Indian citizen. Yes, students, we got the complete clarity of the civics. Then what is the meaning of civics? Study of a rights and duties of the citizenship is called civics. And we got the definition of the citizen. Who are citizen? A citizen is a legally recognized inhabitant of a country. The lesson, citizenship. Then what is the meaning of nation? Yes, there have a definition. The system which enables every individual to lead a better life is called nation. The system which enables every individual to lead a better life is called a nation. Yes, we got all the facilities from the nation to lead the better life. So what are the facilities we got from the nation? We got education, health and social security. Yes, we got the good education. So this education system we got from our nation. So without education, the man is not completed. Health facilities. Yes, we should need. It is also one of the basic facility we got from the nation, that is called as health facilities and social security. The social security in the sense we got the many important facilities. That means the out of the nation we are protected by our soldiers. In the nation we are protected by the police. So these social security also we got from the society as well as the citizenship. If you are an Indian citizen, you got these facilities from the nation. Yes, I am the Indian citizen, so I got the good education, good and free and compulsory education. Yes, as you know students, the Indian government gives the facility to got the good education up to 6 years to 14 years. Like that way, health. The health facility in the sense we got a many of the hospitals, government hospitals. It has gives a good treatment by freely. Social security. The social security also we got from the nation. It is also one of the facility we got from the nation. So no provision to acquire the citizenship of more than one nation. As you know students, I am the Indian, so I got the Indian citizenship. See, if my friend he come from the America, in the sense did he got the Indian citizenship? No, it is impossible because he is come from the America. He is the American citizen. He want to meet me, so he come, he stays 1 or 2 days. So he cannot get the Indian citizenship. So the person cannot get more than one citizenship. So like that, we found many of the features of the citizenship. So what are the features? Here as the first one is an individual identifies himself as a citizen of a particular country through his citizenship. Yes, I am the person, I would like to introduce myself, I am the Indian. Because of I got the Indian citizenship. So the first point, it has gives a meaning of that an individual identifies himself as a citizen of the particular country through his citizenship. I would like to represent, I would like to identify myself through the citizenship of India. Then citizen can enjoy all the rights given by the nation. Yes, I am the citizen. I got all the rights and I got all the facility of the nation. I would like to enjoy that. Yes, the Indian government provide many of the facility to us. Yes, I got the Aadhaar card. I got the free ration facility. I got a permission to open the bank account in the Indian nation. So these are the facilities we got from the India, and I secured by the Indian nation. The next one, the citizen should discharge his duties faced by the nation. Yes, I would like to follow some of the duties. I would like to do some of the duties because I am the Indian citizen. The citizenship binds the citizen to live in accordance with the law of the land. I should follow the Indian law because I am the citizen of India. I would like to follow the Indian constitution. The Indian constitution made many of the rights, many of the laws and amendments to us. We should follow that. Citizen get a power to hold the position from the highest to the least. Yes, I am the Indian citizen. I have a power to hold the higher position. I have a power to hold the lower position. Yes, I would like to tell about the Narendra Modi. He is the person who sells the coffee. Later, he got a chance of a chief minister of Gujarat. Now, he got a chance a prime minister of India. So he is a person, one of the example to this point. The citizen can get to hold the position from the highest to the least. Has a power to hold the position from highest to the least. The foreigners are the deprived of the political rights Yes, the foreigners cannot allowed to the politics. They are deprived of the political rights. So here as the American citizen, here as the Australian citizen, here as the Indian citizen. So Indian citizen have got the permission to hold the political power of the India, or he got the political rights. But American citizen, Australian citizen, they cannot hold the political rights because they are not the Indian citizens. They cannot get a Indian citizenship. So today we learned about the civics. So what is the meaning of civics? What is the meaning of citizenship? What is the meaning of nation? What is the meaning of citizen? What is the features of the citizenship? So these are all the points gives the clarity of the citizenship. So please concentrate these points. Thank you.